Okay, Kaushik, let's proceed ahead with your HR for Nalco and we start with your brief introduction.
Yes, sir. So my name is Kaushik Garu. I am from East Midnapur district of West Bengal. After schooling from my hometown, I have done my graduation from Techno International New Town, Kolkata in the year of 2021 in mechanical engineering background. Then my final year project was based on design and fabrication of hydraulic jack. After graduation, I start preparing for competitive examination, and currently I am pursuing masters in IIT Kharagpur in thermal and fluid specialization. And my area of interest is thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and strength of material, and refrigeration, air conditioning, and power.
Okay, so आपका एमटेक चल रहा है या हो चुका है?
तो चल रहा है, फर्स्ट ईयर खत्म हुआ।
तो अभी प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट कर दिया आपने?
सर थोड़ा सा कम स्टार्ट किया हूँ अभी।
Okay, so what was the purpose why you joined MTech, Kaushik?
So, sir, actually, I joined MTech because after BTech, I have a 2 years gap. Then I don't want to increase this gap year, and also in MTech, we have learn in very depth in these subjects, in thermal and fluid subjects, and whichever is utilized in the various industries also, and that's why I joined MTech. But my goal was from the beginning. My goal was to join only PSU.
Okay, so any specific reason why you want to be part of PSUs?
Yes, sir. And actually, in PSU, just like in NALCO, it is working in the major domain of mechanical engineering, where there is smelting plant, as well as mining plant and refinery, and also power plant is there. And we utilize our knowledge which is gained in the engineering periods, and we can convert this knowledge into practical exposure, and in this sector we learn and grow professionally as an engineer.
Hmm. Okay, but in Nalco, what career you are looking for yourself with us? Am I audible, Kaushik?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what
Yes.
career are you looking for yourself with us in Nalco?
Sir, actually, my short-term career is to now is to join in Nalco, and because I get the opportunity to shortlisted in this Nalco, and my long-term career is to see myself as a higher position in the Nalco, in this organization.
ओके, सो नाल्को के बारे में आप हमें क्या बता सकते हैं? विच यू लाइक अबाउट नाल्को,
Yes,
समथिंग
sir.
विच यू अप्रिशिएट अबाउट
Mm,
नाल्को.
Yes, sir. Actually, Nalco is the largest and integrated company in the world. Largest and integrated company of bauxite, aluminium power complex in the country, and it is the low cost producer of alumina and bauxite mine in the world. And it has this melting plant which is the capacity of 4.6 million tons per annum, and refinery and the mine also, and 1200 megawatt thermal power plants also. And as a green initiative, it already installed 198 megawatt wind power plants, and 180 kilowatt and 850 kilowatt solar power plants on the rooftop of this Nalco itself, and which is proud for me. And the and it has increases its profit after tax continuously, and and this is a profit making PSU in the country, and it is the second it is the second largest foreign exchange earning CPSE in the country.
आपका बीटेक कब हुआ है?
Sir, 2021.
और उसके बाद आपने एमटेक ज्वाइन कर लिया.
Yes, sir. After 2 years, I
तो हाउ डू यू थिंक योर एमटेक इज गोइंग टू बी हेल्पफुल इन योर नालको जॉब?
sir, actually, my MTech, in the MTech, I learned in the thermodynamics and power plant in the core tech, where the cogeneration cycles and the regeneration cycles are used in the power plant. Also, we see the in the cogeneration and regeneration plant is there, and it helps me to contribute in this sector.
Okay, so can you tell us something about the CMD of NALCO?
Sir, Sir Sri Sridhar Patra is the CMD of the NALCO, and he is finance background. And after before joining this company, he was the director of PHDC India Limited, and he is the he is the member of Institute of Chartered Accountants, and and also the good rank holder in the Utkal University.
Any director from the background of your electrical engineering?
Electrical engineering.
You are mechanical engineer, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mechanical engineering.
Okay. Anyhow, Kaushik, let me give you the feedback now. कौशिक, ठीक है, मतलब पहले से काफी इम्प्रूवमेंट है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन जो फ्लुएंसी है ना, वही एक इशू है लास्ट में. द रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज ओके फॉर एचआर, जो आपने बताया है. और एमटेक में आपने क्या किया है, एमटेक के प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में पूछ सकता है, एमटेक का क्या करोगे वो हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया है. और एमटेक का जो आपने लर्न किया उसका क्या बेनिफिट होगा आपको इस जॉब में, वो कुछ क्वेश्चन वो आपसे पूछ सकता है. बाकी मेरे ख्याल से मोर और लेस सेम ही है जो हम पहले से कर रहे हैं. अब इसको प्रैक्टिस करते रहो और अपना टेक्निकल पार्ट इंप्रूव कर लो. राइट.
ओके सर. सर फ्लुएंसी मतलब कैसे फ्लुएंसी इंक्रीज करना है?
सॉरी
सर, जो कम्युनिकेशन फ्लुएंसी कैसे इंक्रीज करना
फ्लुएंसी वही है यार, बोल बोल के आएगा, प्रैक्टिस करके आएगा. वो जो थोड़ा सा हिकअप हो रहा है रुकने बोलते टाइम में, जो तुम रुक जा रहे हो थोड़ा थोड़ा बोलते हुए, वो वही एक इशू है. वो प्रैक्टिस से ही आता है. मोर यू प्रैक्टिस बेटर इट इज. कॉन्फिडेंस उसी से आएगा. कंटेंट वाइज ओके. द क्वेश्चन हमने जो पूछे हैं आपसे, जो क्वेश्चन जितने भी हुए हैं, नो इट इज मेनी टाइम्स वी हैव डन एचआर, जितने क्वेश्चन हो सकते थे मोर और लेस वो सारे क्वेश्चन आपके पास हैं. आप उनको देखते जाओ और वो क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पूछो और फ्लुएंटली आंसर करने की ट्राई करो. अगर ये क्वेश्चन आएगा तो व्हाट आंसर यू विल डू, समथिंग लाइक दैट. तो तुम्हें ही रोड मेमोराइज करना है, तुम्हें ही उसको बेसिकली बोलना है. प्रैक्टिस. राइट.
यस सर.
वो है.
यस सर. ओके. थैंक यू सर.